Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I just need to see how much you put in there.
So we're going 2 portions.
Sí.
Okay.
Mónica, ¿qué más me pusiste?
¿A qué?
4
¿De?
pollo. Aquí de pollo.
Of course, you'll be doing it all sort of more fast motion, but...
Are you taking photos of me?
No, video.
You gotta take my agent, like, the post this on YouTube.
I want to, yeah, my mom, you know, giving the Lomo Saltado lesson. Maybe I'll record it and so you can listen to it at night before you go to sleep and it'll sink into your brain everything. Oh, you know.
Sueños de tu mamá. Ay, qué romántico.
See, I don't cook in the line, so I don't know how to do this.
You can shake it.
No, saute. I